ASELSAN started deliveries of the ALP 300G portable early warning radar system (TEİRS) to the Turkish armed forces. The ceremony held today at ASELSAN's Gulbasi facilities was attended by Minister of National Defense Yaşar Güler, Chief of General Staff General Metin Gürek, President of Defense Industries Professor Dr. Haluk Gorgun, Air Force Commander General representatives of many institutions and organizations, especially Ziya Simol Kadiolu, attended. In this context, the existence of radar systems that can detect threats early and neutralize them by producing counter-reactions is of vital importance. Especially early warning radar systems. 1. It can detect a wide range of threats, from aircraft and other air targets, ballistic missiles, and neutralize them according to their range. 2. In this respect, they offer a tremendous defense opportunity for countries. This new generation radar system includes the most equipped features in its class: Turkey's longest range early warning ability, effective mobility such as fast installation and recovery. Portable Early Warning Radar System ALP 300G, which is the first long-range domestic and national early warning radar system developed and produced by ASELSAN under the management of the Presidency of Defense Industries in line with the needs of the Air Force's command, has an antenna architecture with AESA and digital beamforming infrastructure and is tactical. It stands out as a new generation S-band radar that can be quickly installed and assembled on wheeled platforms. It can detect and track all air targets from very long distances thanks to its new generation radar algorithms, digital antenna architecture, electronic beam steering ability, and transmit and receive modules with GON structure distributed over the entire antenna surface. The system also goes beyond its peers with its friend or foe recognition subsystem with active beam steering. Thanks to the radar logic working on the network, more than one TEİRS system acts as a single radar, and the system can thus make the invisible visible. Installation, integration, performance and continuity tests were carried out with the portable early warning radar system before the temporary acceptance tests. During these tests, it was observed that the ALP 300G could detect targets well beyond the target detection ranges observed with Turkey's existing early warning radars.